Turn on the sewing machine. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Set the machine for a straight stitch. Press the start/stop button. The machine will start sewing. The speed limiting adjustment lever can control the sewing speed. To increases the sewing speed, slide the lever to the right. To decrease the sewing speed, slide the lever to the left. Press the reverse button. Sewing machine will sew backwards in low speed. Press the start button to resume sewing. Cutting the thread. Set the machine for a zigzag stitch. Adjusting the different stitch width. Adjusting the different stitch length. By choosing the stitch pattern switch button, you can switch to 180 different patterns. Press the button for about 3 seconds. To switch the mode to letter sewing or practical stitch sewing. Open the button plate and insert the button. Attach the buttonhole foot. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. It must be behind the holder on the buttonhole foot. Choose buttonhole stitch. After the sewing is completed, lift the buttonhole lever. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole.